Do you know nylon? No, not the kind in your socks, and definitely not the flimsy glossy bags for 5 cents. Today, we're talking about engineering grade nylon. What the heck is nylon? Nylon, officially called polyamide, is a tough, wind-resistant veteran in plastic family. PA6, PA66, PA12, glass fiber in fourth. It's like a luxury car lineup, each type with its own personality. PA6 is flexible as noodles, great for pulley and guide rails. PA66 deep as a metal guide, perfect for gills and fasteners. PA12 come like a retail official, super low water absorption and ideal for precision parts. Can nylon be CNC machine? Of course, it can. And it machined like a dream, smooth and clean, like slicing tofu. Well, carbon tofu. I've had positive and negative 0.02 mm tolerance with no problem. But heads up, nylon left moisture. If you don't dry it up before machining, it will puff up like a balloon after you are done. How to tame nylon machining? I usually go with carbide tools, and chip breakers and mist cooling works like a charm. Cutting speeds similar to aluminum. Make sure your clamping is solid. Don't let it wander off. And glass-filled nylon, total 2 kilo. Better prepare a farewell speech for your cutter. Where is nylon used? Cars, medical devices, electronics, robots. Nylon is everywhere. That 3D printer reel, the buffer in your industry machine, even the bushing in your gym gear. Yeah, that could all be nylon. Got a nylon part to make? Come talk to us. We don't judge the machine precisely. We'll also help you with free advice, codes, and design suggestions. At TiRapid, we make sure you spend smart and machine smarter.